Okay, this is my Samsung washing machine and it's doing the Eco Drum Clean cycle. And I've used just a little bit of washing powder, you know, less powder than I normally use for a wash, because as you can see it's got an empty drum, so you don't need to use a lot. The temperature reaches 70 degrees centigrade during the Eco Drum Clean cycle. And the drum's spinning fairly quickly, but as you can tell it's hardly making any noise because it's got a direct drive motor, so it's very quiet, very quiet. Now you can hear the water heater. And it's starting to speed up again. Yep. Yeah, and I shall resume filming later. See you soon.